Arizona Custom Knives present to you bronze knife. Hopefully I pronounce it well, but this right here is a barrel knife, one of a kind. There's right here a little button you press on and pull the whole knife out. Then you unfold this and look at that beautiful little dagger style blade, and then you put it back in the same way you took it out. Looks like made out of brass, and there's a lock right here. It will boom lock back in, and then you have right here really thick funky looking knife, but so unique. I love it. I owned it at some point, one of these different handle. That looks like petrified wood. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Petrified wood, it's like, I guess, like a stoned wood, like that become a rock. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, that is incredible. I'll put links in description if you want one of these knives. Check it out, how much it cost. Then looks like this knife is actually not sharp at all. It's like a letter opener. It's definitely sharp over here. That's it. So you just close it this way, open it this way, put it back away. Which way? Same way you put it. Love it. One of a kind. That's awesome.